Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to fix my almost brand new Dewalt 21-inch 60-volt FLEXVOLT snowblower. This is a model DCS NP2142Y2. And what's happened is that I ran it into some landscaping rocks that were buried under the snow and jammed the auger. And I think I've broken the belt because, as you can see, the auger just spins freely. Now, from what I've heard, this is a fairly common problem with these snowblowers, that the belt does not stand up to time. So today we're going to replace it with a new belt. And so let's get started. The first thing we're going to do, as always, with any power tool, is remove the batteries or unplug it from power. For this repair, these are the following tools that I'm going to use. I'm going to use an impact wrench with a 3/8 inch socket on it, vice grips, a hand clamp. This is a spring tool for doing drum brakes, generally speaking. And of course, safety glasses and hand protection are always a good idea. Okay, let's flip this snowblower over on its side to expose the belt compartment. Using our impact wrench, we're going to remove the 4 X-head screws. If you don't have an impact wrench and a 3/8 inch socket, the screws also have a slot on them, so you can just use a screwdriver. And remove the cover to expose the insides. And just as I suspected, the belt is broken. This is a 6-rib 6P J660 belt that's about 27 inches long. You can get it from the Dewalt parts shop, or you can pick it up on Amazon. Now, this belt runs on 2 pulleys, this pulley here and this center pulley connected to the motor. And it also goes around this idler pulley, which is a bearing on this spring-loaded bracket. Now, because the belt's broken, the pulley has come right across, so what we're going to have to do is remove the tension off of this spring to be able to get the new belt inside. So because the tension is pretty much off of this spring, I'm just going to use a pair of vice grips to pull it off. So here's the new belt. This one I got from Dewalt, but you can pick up the same 6P J660 belt from a lot of different places. So we're going to feed it around. Take the tension off, feed it around this pulley, around the large pulley, and work your way around. Till the belt seats on the big pulley and the small pulley. And then it's on this side of the idler pulley. So now that we have the belt on, the tension is going to be much higher on these pulleys. So what I'm going to do is take a clamp and just squeeze the belt. And put some tension on it so that it's easier to put the spring on. So now we're going to put the spring on. I've got my vice grips on the end. And this part gets a little tricky because the snowblower wants to move around. It helps if you have somebody hold it down, but you can do it by yourself. And then release the spring or the clamp. And we have the belt back on. And now all that's left to do is put the cover back on. And re-secure with the 4 bolts. Now we flip our snowblower back over. Okay, let's put our batteries back in. And let's give it a try. And as you can see, the auger is now spinning, and our snowblower is back to normal. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this helps, and have a good winter.